Modern comfort starts with the right windows and awning windows. Hilliard homeowners choose most often are built for airflow, durability, and style. In Hilliard, FL, these versatile windows open outward from the top, making them ideal for rainy North Florida weather and year-round ventilation. Property owners looking for new awning windows. Hilliard, premium awning window styles in Hilliard, or modern awning window styles. Hilliard can improve curb appeal while adding practical function. From downtown Hilliard awning window replacement to full home awning window renovation. Hilliard Projects, local awning window experts. Hilliard, Florida deliver tailored solutions for homes across Nassau County and nearby communities. Professional installation makes a major difference, and awning window installation. Hilliard services help ensure long-term performance and energy savings. Whether you need affordable awning window installation, Hilliard, Florida for a single room or full awning window installation, near Hilliard, Florida for a whole house upgrade. Experienced Hilliard awning window installers can measure precisely and fit each unit correctly. A licensed awning window contractor, Hilliard can recommend the best awning windows Hilliard for your layout, weather exposure, and budget. Choosing a trusted Hilliard awning window specialists team also helps prevent leaks, drafts, and premature wear in humid Nassau County conditions. Replacement services are a smart investment when older windows no longer seal properly, and awning window replacement Hilliard options can refresh both appearance and efficiency. Homeowners often schedule downtown Hilliard awning window replacement when frames warp, glass fogs, or operation becomes difficult. A top awning window company, Hilliard, can provide custom awning windows, Hilliard awning window, retrofit solutions, or full awning window upgrades to match existing architecture. For homeowners searching for the best awning window company, Nassau County, Florida, it helps to work with professionals who understand local climate demands and offer energy-saving awning windows, Hilliard designed for comfort and lower utility costs. Custom design opens up more possibilities, and Hilliard, Florida custom awning windows can be built to fit unique wall openings, renovations, and style preferences. If you need custom-sized awning windows, Nassau County for bathrooms, kitchens, additions, or remodeled spaces, a quality awning window design services Hilliard provider can create the right look and function. Custom awning windows. Hilliard are available in contemporary and traditional profiles, making them a great fit for everything from ranch homes to updated North Florida residences. Residential awning windows. Hilliard can also be tailored for privacy, ventilation, and architectural balance throughout the home. Material selection matters for maintenance and aesthetics, and vinyl awning windows. Hilliard remain a popular choice for affordability, insulation, and low upkeep. Many homeowners searching for vinyl awning windows near Hilliard prefer vinyl because it resists moisture and performs well in humid Florida conditions. Others choose aluminum awning windows, Hilliard for slim sightlines and a clean, modern appearance. Aluminum awning window services. Hilliard often appeal to homeowners who want durable frames and contemporary styling. Whether selecting vinyl or aluminum, a North Florida awning windows contractor can guide you toward options that align with your home's performance needs and design goals. Energy performance is one of the top reasons to upgrade, and energy-efficient awning windows. Hilliard can help reduce heat gain while keeping indoor spaces more comfortable. High-efficiency awning windows in Hilliard are designed with advanced glass packages, improved sealing, and insulated frames that support year-round comfort. Homeowners often choose energy-saving awning windows Hilliard when remodeling older homes or replacing drafty units. A residential awning window company, Nassau County, FL, can explain the advantages of low-E glass, weather-resistant hardware, and expert installation. With the right system, Awning Windows service in Hilliard can improve comfort in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and living spaces. Room-specific upgrades can improve both function and comfort, and bathroom awning windows. Hilliard are especially popular for privacy and moisture control. Because awning windows open from the top, they allow fresh air in while helping shield the interior from light rain. which is useful in humid bathroom environments. Kitchen awning windows Hilliard are another practical choice, offering ventilation above sinks, counters, or compact wall spaces. For homeowners planning awning window remodeling Hilliard or a larger renovation, residential awning windows. Hilliard can be placed strategically to support airflow and brighten interior spaces. These room-focused solutions are ideal for maximizing comfort in busy areas of the home.